guys, it's Jenica, and today I'm with Kazuya and Jumjum. And today we are unboxing this loot bag, and today we are opening it. In 5, 2, 3, go. Oh, so this is Elijah's birthday bag, and today we are opening it. What is it? Candy. My God, it's full of candies. Okay, there's a lollipop and Nick. I like this candy. And another. Oh, me too. Yeah, of course. And let's put it down here. And a chocolate mochi that I don't like. What? This? A marshmallow. And a wafer. It's vanilla flavor. And this is butter coconut. And then it's plastic paper. And this is what again? This is plastic. It's not a paper. This is the milk. And this is and Chewy, the red one. She said, "Hola, kamusta?" My favorite Chewy is the brown one, but the red one. Okay, what should we eat next? Okay, bye guys, part 2, bye bye.